Welcome back to Statistic 1, Chapter 2, Representing Layer and Interpreting Layer. Topic: Measures of central tendency and up spread using layer and using quartiles. So we will get to know three more terms: the lower quartiles, the medians, and the upper quartiles. The lower quartile is denoted as Q1. The median is denoted at Q2. The upper quartiles is denoted at Q3. Here I have a scale line. In order to find these, we have to rank our data in order, like what we did with the median. So if the median is the values in the middle, the place in here. So the here's our start and here's our end. So the lower quartiles will be the median from the first point to this point, and the upper quartile will be the median from the median to the end. So the lower quartiles here, lower quartiles and upper quartile in here. So in order to know that this one is 1/4, its location is 1/4, location 1/2, this location is 1/4, 3/4. So for a big data set, remember big or large data set. Like we have 1,000 data in our set. So our lower quartiles would be 1/4 multiplied by 1,000 equal to 150, 250. So the location of the lower quartile will be this one, 250. It is its location, not the value, the location. Upper quartiles equal to 3/4 multiplied by 1,000, 750. So this is its location. The value, which is upper quartile, is at the 750 location. And for our median equal to 1/2 multiply 1,000, which is 500. We can find something called inter quartile range, often denoted as EIQR, interquartile range. So EIQR is equal to Q3 minus Q1. So it means that the upper quartiles minus the lower quartile would be interquartile range. So for a smaller data set, the previous one I mentioned has 1,000 data, but for this one it only has 10 of them. In order to find the mean, the medians, we need to rank them in order. So here I rank them in order. So for this one, it had 10 here. So it means that the data set had an even number of data. Like I said before, first we find the medians. Here we have 10 plus 1/2. You can find out this in the previous video about mean, mode, and medians. Will be 5.5. So the location is 5.5. So in between the fifth values and the sixth value. So the median is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one is the fifth one, and this one is the sixth one. The fifth value plus the sixth value over 2 be 36/2, which is 18. From here we can find From here, we will find our lower quartiles and upper quartiles from here. So because the lower quartile is the median from the beginning to the median here. So here we would find the medians of this one in order to find the lower quartiles. So for the median of this one would probably be this one has 5 members, so 5 plus 1 over 2 is 3. So the lower quartile is equal to 6. And then the upper quartile, here we have 5 plus 1 over 2, also 3. So the upper quartile, the upper quartile is the median from the median to the end here. So for the data set we have 5 member 5 member plus 1 over 2. So the third of this one is 36. Go to 36. And then now if we cross out a member in here, cross out 55. So our data set we only have from 1 to 45. So this one has an odd number of the values and the number of data. So here we consider the odd one. So here we would find the median first of this data set, would be has 9 member plus 1 over 2 be the fifth one. So the median is equal to the fifth one, 15. But now we will have to find the medians, because here the median is the 15. So now we don't consider the 15 in the two other set there. If we would like to find the lower quartiles and find the upper quartile, we don't consider, we remove this one out of the data set, and then we consider all the rest from beginning to the one that which is previous to the 15 to the median. So we consider from 1 to 10 here. So the lower quartiles equal to 4. 4 but 1 over 2 would be 2/5. So in between of the two, the second one and the third one. So the lower quartiles equal to 3 plus 6 over 2 is 9 over 2 equal to 4.5. For the other ones, this one from 21, 28, 36, and 45, we don't consider the medians in here. So we have a new data set and we have to find the medians of this data set to find the upper quartiles. So 4 plus 1 over 2 equals to 2.5. So our location of this data set is 2.5 in between of the second and the third one. So the upper quartiles of the new data set would be 28 plus 36 over 2. So this one plus this one result in 64 over 2 be 32. Okay, so that is how we can find the medians, the upper quartile, the lower quartile for small data set. For the even ones, for data set which has even number of values, we find their medians, and then we find their medians of each class containing the two, the fifth and the sixth, because they are not the median, so they are concluded into the new data set. But here for the odd one, because 15 either one is a median, so we do not consider 15 anymore. We consider the rest of the data to find the median of each part in order to find the overall upper quartiles and lower quartile of their data set.